After the big wet numbers keep on jumping here in Mossvale, now it's dried out a little bit. Yarded 745 cattle today in a mixed quality market overall. Saw the cows probably 4 or 5 cents dearer again, but some of the feeder and restocker cattle were a little bit cheaper based on quality, and they've all had a pretty hard time in the rain. Here's the load of the cows. Best of the cows making up to $3.94. Good run with loin cows here, all making $3.60 to $3.84. And the plainer cows you've seen earlier. Here's some good Hereford cows that are brick tested empty, in fact, and they were making $3.65 through to $3.78. Here's some brick tested in calf cows out of Braidwood. They made $27.80 and $27.00. Really good cows, all brick tested to calf in the next 3 or 4 months.
With about 120 feeders here today. Very nice feeders here, weighing about 400 to 500 kilos, making from $4.80 up to $6.10.
Yeah, your restocker cattle here today was just a titch easier. These good calves here were making sort of that $5.70 to its top at $6.10 for your straight Angus steers. Yeah, here's a really good story here today. Sort of 300 kilo Angus steers. They're making $6.50 to a top of $7.20. Sort of coming back at that $21.50 to a top of $23.00. No let up with the lightweight restocker steers here today. These good Angus cross steers here, weighing 185 kilos, making $8.30, sort of coming out around about that $1,500 or a titch over.
The yarding of 5 bulls here today, bulls topped at $3.15.